Hi everybody, welcome back to the kitchen. This week we're going to be looking at making some lovely mashed potatoes. So here's the potatoes I'm going to be using for the mash. I tend to use Mars Pipers, any sort of white potato would do, but I prefer Mars Pipers. I use these for my mash and for my roast potatoes. So I'm going to get these peeled and into a pot, and I will take it from there. Here we have a nice big pot of potatoes ready to go on the boil. Using such a big pot because I want to do a lot of mash, because tomorrow I'm going to be making a cottage pie. So what's left over from this can go to make the cottage pie. Cuts down the work I need to do tomorrow. So to boil potatoes, I'm going to put these on now, bring them to the boil, and then about 20 minutes on the boil and they should be done. So in here is just water on the hob, bring to the boil, 20 minutes and it should be done. To test them, you get a fork, stick it into the potato. As long as it goes in easy with little resistance, potatoes are ready. And you also want to cut them so they're all about the same size so they cook evenly. So let's get this on the hob. Right, here we have the potatoes ready to mash. Stick a fork in them, goes in, a little bit of resistance. They're done. Let's drain them and then we can mash them. So let's get a little bit of butter. I'm just putting this into the empty pan. The heat of the pan will melt it. I think the trick to this is, if you think you've put too much butter in, you haven't put enough. Let that melt. Let's get the masher. These have drained now, and we'll slowly feed them in. Again, more butter on top. Let the heat of the potatoes just melt that. And just start mashing. Gently to begin with. So you break all it up. As you're mashing, that butter is mixing through the potatoes. So I'm going to carry on doing this. It takes about 5-10 minutes just to mash it up properly. There we go. There's the mash all mixed up now with some butter, all nice and smooth. To get an extra silky mashed potato, a couple of drops, a bit more than drops, of some double cream, and just mix that in. That gives you a nice smooth mash. And there's your completed mashed potato. There we are. That's how I do my mashed potatoes. So I hope you enjoyed that. If you've got any questions or comments, put them down below. Give me the old thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new here. I'll stick another video here and the subscribe button in the middle. So thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye for now.